Hi guys, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is a little bit of happy mail, and it is just a small one, but I've been waiting for this because I asked for this happy mail to be sent to me from a yarn company that I do stock in my shop. So obviously my shop is hobbyrocks.co.uk, and I wanted them to send me some of their newer yarns because I do buy a couple of yarns from this company, but not all that they do. There is a reason for that. So this is from Signet. Where's my... oh, there we go. I just have to use the knife, unfortunately. So yeah, this is from Signet, and I do stock Boho Spirit, and I can't open this with a knife. I'm going to slice the yarn. So packed out. Let me see if I can get it started. I do sell Boho Spirit, as you probably know, and Sprinkles Pop, which is a chunky yarn, an absolutely beautiful, beautiful yarn. And Kiddies Kaleidoscope, which they discontinued and is selling like hotcakes in my shop at the moment because I think most places must be getting quite sold out, and a lot of the really lovely colours have gone, and I will do a stock take soon. Wow, this is hard work getting in. They've really stuffed this in. They have. Now, I did ask for specific colours. I wanted to see it. I wanted to see some it's stuck, that's why. You know, the polythene is stuck to the outer bag. So that's why I'm having trouble. The sticky of the bag, when you close it, you got onto... there we go. That's it. I've forgotten what I was saying as I was struggling away there. But yeah, I wanted to see specific colours because to me, when I'm looking at them for my shop, I don't want to see the drab colours that might not interest. I want to see the really, really yummy colours. Right, let's get that tape off because it's going to get very sticky again. Here we go. Okay, I remember to take that off soon. So they've only sent me about 4 balls, which isn't bad because I didn't ask for masses, but I asked for a couple of colours in one, a couple of colours in another, and I know for a fact I haven't got that. But I've got what they could spare me, I guess. So this is new. This is called Tropic Super Chunky, and it is a very, very fat strand. It's a really nice colour, this one. I like it. I actually do. It's got a bit of a rope feel. That's a, you know, it's just so fat, but it's really tightly wound. You know, some would split open. I can't imagine this. It's really tightly wound. So let's have a little look. I really like this. This is called Tropic, and the colour is Macao. Beautiful. I really like that. So let's see. 100 grams. 100% premium acrylic. So when you wash this, the chances are it will really go soft because I think it's the dye that makes these yarns feel it's like premium acrylic, really. But when you wash them, that residue will be out and it'll be lovely and soft. So for 100 grams of 100% premium acrylic, where's the yards? Macao, seen that already. We've got machine wash of 40 degrees, which isn't bad, and you hand wash the same. Cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, do not iron, do not tumble dry. Chunky, super chunky, which is a super bulky weight, 6 across the pond. I can't find the meters. Well, it must be here. Oh, here we go. I have found them, 60 meters. So it roughly the same as other 100 gram super chunkies that I've come across. Having said that, on my yarn quest, the super chunky had a bit more than that in it for 100 grams, but I don't think the strand of those super chunky are anywhere near as fat as this one. It's weird, isn't it? But they're just not uniform. When you get they're not created equal, super chunkies from other brands, you know, or at least, you know, they can be consistent within their own brand. But if you get a super chunky of one and a super chunky of another, they are vastly different. Almost one will be as thin as a chunky yarn, like a bulky 5, and others will be really fat, almost like a like a rope. Well, this one is very fat, I would say. But aren't they gorgeous, those colours in there? I haven't seen the other colours of Tropic. I did ask them to send me a couple, but I don't know what else we've got in here. Let's have a look. Oh, now this is the Yeti. They did send me a pink of the Yeti, but I did give that away. I think I might have sent me a couple every now and then, but I wanted to see what this one was like because I thought it would be perfect for knitting bears, you know, for those people who like to knit teddies and stuff like that. It would make an absolutely gorgeous teddy bear if you were that way inclined, if you knitted or crocheted toys. So this one is called, oh, upside down, of course it is, Honey Monster. Well, I love the Honey Monster, but yeah, look at that. It does look a lovely honey colour, like a honey bear. Yeti has been absolutely beautiful. Really, really soft. Gorgeous yarn. So it might be one to stock. 100 grams gives you 130 metres. And that's a lot, considering it's probably as thick, because of that fuzz, as the other, as that other yarn. You know, I can't say it would be, but it's 142 yards, bulky 6. It must be just heavier for some reason, the other one. They're both bulky 6 or a super chunky. I love Honey Monster, that's gorgeous. And it is 100% super soft polyester. Yeah, 130 metres, 132 yards, 100 grams, 3 ounces. Is that 3 ounces? Beautiful though. Look at that colour. Honey Monster, you got a big thumbs up. I had the pink. I did have a few of those, and I think I had a blue. So this one, this looks like, yep, Sprinkles Pop. I didn't ask for this because I do stock it in my shop, but this is a beautiful colour. Really soft and pale like the others. I don't have this one. Oh, I might have asked for it actually because it's called Sea Flower. So yes, there is a chance I probably did ask for Sea Flower because I wanted to see those pastel shades. The ones I have in my shop tend to be the vibrant ones. Like Red Velvet is absolutely gorgeous in that, but a lot of them are. But this one is bluey. Sea Flower, very nice. So again, is it a chunky or a super? This is a chunky, so a bulky 5. Nice fat strand though, as you can see there. And machine washable, 40 degrees. Cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, do not iron. 100% acrylic. Lovely and soft though. I would say it's very soft. And you get 160 metres in this. That is lovely. I really, really like this one. Let's have a good old rummage inside. Let's see what other colours. You see we've got some browns there. Is there any other colours that we haven't seen? The trouble is when you get one ball, you only see one part of the wind, if you like, and you don't necessarily get to see others. So we've got some darker blues coming through with the yellow is quite consistent going through this yarn. We've got darker blues. That's lovely. I really like that one. I like Sea Flower. So this must be the other one that I asked to have a look at. And it is called Tickly Tots. I thought it was Tickle Tots, but it's Tickly Tots. So I wanted to see this because it is their new kids yarn. They phased out Kaleidoscope and they've brought this one in, Tickly Tots. Now, Kaleidoscope has a bit of a, not a soft feel. It probably softens up massively when you wash it. But when I picked this up, I thought, oh, it's not the softest, but you know what it is? It is soft. And I think once this is washed, it's going to feel lovely. It's actually got even a cottony feel to it. It does seem to feel, whereas the other one that did feel rougher, but this feels softer than the Kaleidoscope. So I like the feel of this one. This is called Starlight, this colour. 100 grams gives you 265 metres. And again, it's a 30 degree wash this time. Cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, do not iron. And beautiful, I like it. I like it a lot. They did have some other colours I wanted to see, but they didn't want to send me 2 of each. I don't know why. You think they would because they know probably that I have a channel that I'm going to show it. Anyway, 100 grams of 100% acrylic, but I would say it's definitely softer than their Kiddies Kaleidoscope, which does wash up lovely anyway. But that is the Tickly Tots. How cute is that? That reminds me of Charlie Brown for some reason. It's probably nothing like it. No, it's not. It's actually not even a person. It's a swan with a bubble above it. But you know what I mean. No, maybe not. Okay, so this one, it's got the white going round, but it's not in the wind. You're not like a marble. It's actually the way the dye goes on the yarn. It's just more intense, and then it's not. So it is, I wouldn't say marble. I need to think of a name that kind of dye is, but it was very, very fashionable back in the late 90s for furnishings to have that, and especially cushions. They looked lovely when they were kind of had some intensity, and then it died out, and then it was strong again. I can't think of a name for that. Maybe you can help me with it. But that's lovely. I really like Tickly Tots, I have to say. So I wanted to see these with a view to maybe stocking them some point when I do an order. I do need to put in an order, so I will do soon. And maybe I'll get some Tickly Tots and some Yeti. The jury's still out on Tropic. I might work this up and see how it works up, and then see how it washes. I might do that. Obviously the Sprinkles Pop's beautifully soft. Always is. Really lovely. This feels soft. This does. It's very nice. Nearly dropped it. And the Yeti, well, it's luxuriously soft. It really is lovely. So I haven't got a furry yarn like that, apart from Peter Pan, which comes in a 50-gram ball. So maybe the Yeti is one to go for. I like this colour a lot. Would make a lovely teddy bear or honey monster. So that's it. That's my little bit of happy mail. Let me know, what do you think? Have you got a favourite? Anything you think that maybe would be a good one to stock for me? And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now, everyone.